Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix your Moonshot app not working. So this is what you need to do, okay? So first come here, access your settings, okay? Then I want you to scroll down, look for app management or app list. So here, click on app list, you're going to look for your apps. So here we're going to search up Moonshot. So we're going to scroll down until we reach M. And here we go, this is Moonshot right here. What I want you to do is force stop it, okay? It says force stop. If you force stop an app, go there, click on OK. Now if I launch it, it should work, right? There you go. It's perfectly working. Another thing you can do is go ahead and update it, make sure it's fully updated. So if I go to my Play Store and I search up Moonshot, right? So I'll go ahead and search that up. Let's see. If it's not fully updated, if there's an update button right here, you can go ahead and click on update, make sure it's up to date, because when it's not, sometimes it does misbehave and could have bugs and glitches. So now what you can do is, if it's still not working, you can uninstall it fully, right? And then go ahead and install it again, right? That should fix your issue. Really that easy and simple. So I hope this guide provided value to you. And if it did, consider smashing that like button, as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions. And I'll see you guys in the next one.